Hey guys, how are you? Let's start today's MCQs for UPSC Prelim 2022. So question number 1, along the bank of which of the following river Kartarpur Gurudwara is situated? Okay, so you have 4 river here. So option number 1 is correct. It is situated along the river Ravi. Okay, this is straightforward question. Gurudwara, Kartarpur Gurudwara was recently in news, so I have picked this question. So this can be important for your UPSC prelim. So moving on, next question number 2. Consider the following statement about Enforcement Directorate. Statement number 1. It is a law enforcement and economic intelligence agency. 2. It is a part of Department of Financial Service under Ministry of Finance. Okay, so you have to find correct statement. So if you know second statement is wrong, so statement number 1 or A is the right answer here. Okay, so you can see here it was established in 1956. Okay, then it was known as Enforcement Unit and it was under Department of Economic Affairs. Okay, later on in 1957 its name was changed or it was renamed as Enforcement Directorate, and presently it is a part of a Finance Ministry under Department of Revenue. Okay, its task is to enforce the provision of 2 special fiscal law, which is Foreign Management Exchange Management Act of 1999 and Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002. Okay, so moving on, next, consider the following statement about International Atomic Energy Agency. Statement number 1. It was set up as the World Atom for Peace Organization in 1945. 2. It seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy. 3. Its headquarters is located in Vienna, Austria. You have to find correct statement. If you know the first statement is wrong, you can eliminate rest of the option. Okay, so you have left only 2 B, so it is the right answer. Okay, so you can hear it was set up in 1956, not in 1945, and is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Okay, so this is obvious. Its promote is to safe, secure and peaceful use of nuclear technology, and also it inhibit its use for any military purpose including nuclear weapon. Okay, so moving on, next, Hazara is an ethnic group from Afghanistan. Okay, this is a simple question. It has been also asked in UPSC previously. So next question is, in the context of which of the following do some scientists suggest the use of cirrus cloud thinning technique and the injection of sulfate aerosol in the stratosphere? This has been asked UPSC previously also. So A, creating the artificial rain in some region. B, reducing the frequency and intensity of tropical cyclone. C, reducing the adverse effect of solar wind on the earth, reducing the global warming effect. Okay, so if you know this is the right answer. Option number D is our right answer. Okay, you can see here some scientists believe that injecting sulfate aerosol in the atmosphere, it can create global dimming effect. Okay, so also they believe that removing the cirrus cloud or thinning them can also achieve this purpose, because cirrus cloud, a special type of cloud, they also reflect and observe hitting, okay, incoming radiation and outgoing radiation, but they observe more infrared than reflection. Okay, so that's why they believe that if we thin or remove them, okay, their heating capacity can be reduced. Okay, so this was proposal of some scientists.